Hello everybody. You can see what's behind me, so I think you know what time it is. That's right, it's maths meeting time. So off we go. Let's get ourselves in the mood and sing our song. After three. 1, 2, 3. We love maths, yes we do. We love maths, so yes it's true. With a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We love maths, it's really great. Okay, so today I'd like to talk to you about shape. Now, we've learnt our 2D shapes. That means those flat shapes, like a triangle, the square, the rectangle and circle. We know those really, really well, don't we? Well, today we're going to have a look at something called 3D shapes. Now that means 3-dimensional, so that means it's got the shapes of a height, a width and a depth, a breadth. They have 3 different measurements, and that means that there's something that we can touch. A 3D shape is a solid, it's something we can touch. So I've got some objects from around my house, and we're going to have a look at them and see if we can work out what sorts of 3D shapes they are. Okay, here comes the first one. This is a candle box. Now look really carefully at the different sides of this box. What can you see? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. What do you notice about the length of each of those sides? Yes, they're all the same length. So that must mean that this side is a square. Well done. I'm going to turn it round. Let's have a look at all the other sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the same length. It's another square. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the same length again. That's another square. One more turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the same length. That's right. Another square. Now we need to look at this one at the top and this one at the bottom. Okay, so here comes the top. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same length again. That's another square. And here comes the bottom. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even sides. That means that's a square too. I wonder if anybody knows what this is called. This 3D shape is called a cube. Now, a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So each one of these squares is called a face. And there's 6 of those. It's got edges, and that's those bits that run along here and here, down each of those sides and around the bottom. So that's got a lot of edges. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 makes 8. So we can count on from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. So a cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and where 2 edges meet, there's a little corner, a point, and that's called a vertices. Let's count how many corners there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, it's a very complicated shape. It's a cube. Now I wonder if you can have a look around your house and see if you can find something that is a cube. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. It's another box. But this box is a little bit different, isn't it? What do you notice about the faces on this box? Yes, 4 sides, but what's different this time? Did you get it? There's rectangles, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Let's double check. 2 long, 2 short, 2 longer, 2 shorter. 2 longer, 2 shorter, 2 shorter and 2 longer. This is called a cuboid. All of the faces on a cuboid are rectangles. I wonder if you can find anything in your house that is a cuboid. Go on a shape hunt. Okay, let's have a look at this. What have I got here? It's a ball. Well, this is the maths name for this is a sphere. Can you say that? Sphere. And this has just one continuous face. There aren't any edges and there aren't any corners. It's a very unusual 3D shape. I wonder if you can find something in your house that is a sphere. Okay, oh, what's coming next? This is an unusual shape, isn't it? Shall we look closely at it? Let's look at that. What shape do you see here? That's right, a circle. What shape do you see there? Another circle. Shall we look carefully at this? I can run my hands all around that in one go, and it's very smooth. And we would say that that is one continuous face. So it has a circle at the top and a circle face at the bottom. So that's 1, 2 and 3 faces. This is a cylinder. I found a tin in my cupboard that is a cylinder shape. I wonder what you will find at home that is a cylinder shape. I wonder if you know what this shape is. That's it. It's a party hat. But what shape is it? It's got one curved continuous face. And if we drew around that, that would make a circle. This is a special shape. So if I turn it up this way, most of you will probably know what it is. You imagine it's got some popcorn in it or maybe a nice big ice cream on top. It's a, well done, that's a cone. A cone. We're used to seeing them upside down like that a lot of the time, not up this way. 2 faces, 1 circular and 1 curved face to make a cone. I wonder if you can find any cones in your house. And lastly, I couldn't find anything in my house. This is quite an unusual shape. It's a bit small, so I'll bring it really close to the camera. Can you see what shape that face is making? That's right, it's a triangle, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 3 sides. It makes a triangle. I'm going to turn it round. 1 more is another triangle and another triangle. That's 3 triangles. 4 triangle faces, and at the bottom, oops, at the bottom we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, all the same length, so that makes a square. Well done. So this 3D shape has 1 square face and 4 triangle faces that all come up to a point, and that is called a pyramid. Some of you might have seen pictures of real pyramids in Egypt. Now, I don't have a pyramid in my house, and I don't have one in my back garden either, So I'm just had to make do with our maths shape. I wonder if you're lucky enough to have any pyramids in your house. I hope you have fun having a 3D shape hunt, and I look forward to seeing what you find out. See you soon for another maths meeting. Bye for now.